So hello and welcome to the channel, and today we're gonna disassemble a seat for Focus MK4. As you can see, ST line, it's a little bit dirty, it's standing here in storage for some time, and we're gonna take off everything that we can take off out of it. So yeah, it was a request from a subscriber, so let's start. First off, you need to take this plastic and this one over here. So this one has this one screw over here, and there should be another one somewhere over here, but as you can see I already took it off, or it was off, I'm not sure. And on this side there is another one somewhere over here, yeah, like here. So I'm not sure if you're gonna see, but yeah, as you can see over here. And another one is holding this plastic. It should be holding this plastic, so it comes over here and into the plastic. First off, take off this bad boy, and usually how I do it is just with a screwdriver like this. Once it starts moving out, it goes quite easier. So as you can see already halfway out, just need a little bit convincing. So as you can see, what's holding it is just this one little pin. Best way is to start from this side, take out this, pull it a little bit up, and as you can see this pin holds it, and this one over here, and this is where you screw it. So this holder goes over here and this goes here. So this big pin over here. So that's the left side. Right side, take out that first screw and another one over here, this one. So after you take that one out, it should be fairly easy, just pull up. So as you can see over here, this one screw, this little pin over here, and the screw over here. So those two plastics is what you start. Then this, you would probably take this out even before you start doing anything. So this take out in the car before you even start doing it, but here we have. So now I'm gonna turn the seat, and then we start rest of the process. So there is this over here, you take it out, and the one over here, I'm not really sure, sometimes it's over here, sometimes it's here, but basically yeah. And one more, you need to take this as well. So there is two clips, so these plastic clips, most easy way with the screwdriver again, what else. So but first let's take this. So as you can see over here we have this zip, and you take the zip and pull it all the way up on each side. This side is where the airbag is. It's gonna be a little harder with one hand, so yeah, you get the picture. You just pull it all the way over, somewhere over here I believe it's the end. So just pull it, I will pull it, and then we continue. So this is, I believe, the far it goes. Here is usually the airbag, but I took out this one some time ago. So basically airbags go from this side in. There is two screws that you need to screw over here, and electronics, so the piece of that. So that's this side. Now move to the other side. So you need to find it. It's always somewhere buried inside, and then again zip it all the way, probably over here. So let me unzip it and then we move on. I'm not sure if there is any kind of tool for this, but it has this hole, so it should be something that you can pull the way up, but yeah, we will see. I don't have, I just unscrew it with 2 hands. So once all the way out, as you can see, if you can feel on the back, it's kind of hard. It's inside something plastic or something, it's kind of harder. So that's these 2 pieces, and then you need to go from underneath. So this is the back side, and this one is for the under one. So if you're already here, just take that out, probably with a screwdriver, my best bet. So let's see, not really sure what's the best way, but let's say like this. Yeah, and again another pin is over here. So basically what you wanna do, you just need to pull it a little bit out of the way. So something like that would be a much better job, but right now there's probably some tool for that. Let me take it out. So let's see, maybe like this on this side from the inside. Yeah, so I can see from the inside, most easy way to pull it out. So that's that. There is few clips for the down as well. So there is one over here, same plastic one as that white ones were. So maybe again clip it from the inside and like this. So as you can see over here, the clip go back in like this. So is there another one? Yeah, there is another one over here, and the bigger one, it's over here. So that one goes now with the hand, and this one with a screwdriver probably. So let's see. Yeah, screwdriver for the win. So once you take that one out, it's quite easy. It's almost out, but I will turn it around. So this clip over here and the one over here, same as the other side. Basically clip it from in, take it out over here, same. And then it should be basically out like this. Yeah. So let's turn around the seat, and we're gonna just pull everything toward yourself like this. This clip does a little bit of problems, but maybe even just take these out, but I don't think it's really that necessary. It can be done without that for sure. Yeah, like this. So after that, what you have this installation. So that's something that you need to take off. So let's see which wire is that. So it's this one. Let's take that one out. So let's see, I find this tool kind of the best. So this one over here, take that one out. There is one wire that goes probably in the up. Yeah, so up. There is this one, and this goes into two, and you can see It's the blue one and the green one. So let's take this one out. I'm gonna take this out and then we continue. So once take that out, most easy way, just click this, pull up, and then you can see what you need to do. So basically pull this little pin, this over here, pull to yourself, so like that, and take that one out. So pin full over here, take out the electricities, plugins, over here, that, there, and over here. So that's the down one. What it? Yeah, over here. Okay. So that's the down part of the seat, as you can see over here. Now let's continue with upper part, and for that I need to turn the seat a little bit. So once you have this open, as you can see, only this big clip over here is holding, and there should be these two wires that go over here, and one goes full to the yellow one. So but let's take this big clip out. It's probably best way, again, screwdriver from the inside or upside, depends. Let me see. So this one does get hard, so best way, screwdriver up, take it out, and then little by little, either with screwdriver or by hand, you take it out. So that's that one. Here we can see there is another point that holds, one here, one over here. So these two you need to take out. And last but not the least, I believe, not really 100% sure on this one, but we'll see, maybe it need to take these out. But let's take this wiring. So this one and the yellow over here, I want to take these two out. So took out this one and the yellow one for airbag, so you might don't need to do that. Let me see, let me turn it around and then we check out the rest. So that's front part, that's the back part. Only thing else we need to take out before we can take everything out is these two plastic clip holder, so need to turn it back, so sorry for that. So once again, I'm not really sure if you're gonna see, let me try to zoom in a little bit. So these are here, that's the upper one, and there is one clip over here down. So here is the clip, you click it, and then you go from this side and pull it out like this. So that's the clip that you need to click. So that's over here, it goes like this inside, so it's from inside. Other side, the second one, again, let me try to zoom in. So that's the clip, that's the clip that you wanna click. So basically, downside. So from downside, did you hear the click? And once again, pull it out. So that's the clip, and that should be basically that. Let me turn it around again. Now with everything removed, it should be just pull up, take out like this. So basically you have this wire makes a little bit problem. Yeah. So that's how you take out, and it's fairly easier than old version, to be honest. And yeah, basically let me show you now without anything else. So this goes probably over here, huh? Yeah, so you just click it over here. Same goes for the other one. So basically clips, yeah, here, and then you just, once you click it, you can just take it out. So that's fairly easy. So yeah, I hope this little how-to will help you, and whatever reason is that you need to do this. Basically, if you have problems like breakage over here, mostly they get tanned. They do rip apart after some time. Depends which problem is. But yeah, or if you need to remove the airbag, put another one. So yeah, I hope this will help. If you wanna help me, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. It will help me grow the channel. And yeah, thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Till next one, see ya.